Hello students, good morning. Hope you all good today. Today we are going to I'm going to teach you EVS subject class 2nd, chapter number 7, housing and clothing. So as you all know, we have already read it out in the previous part, but now I'm just going to read it fast. Okay? So just make it clear. So, starting with the house, all of us need a house to live in. A house keeps us safe from the heat, cold, rain, wind, and wild animals. Different people live in a different type of houses. As you all know, we have different type of houses. Different type of people lives in a different type of houses. Various houses are there. So we will learn what type of houses are there. Some are there kacha houses. Some of they are pakka houses, and some of they are temporary houses. Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw, wood. That is known as a kacha house. And pakka houses are made up of bricks, cement, sand, iron, stones. They are also called as strong houses. Strong houses, they are also known as the permanent houses because the strong houses are made on the land with bricks, cements, and sand. So it's a permanent houses. So because they cannot be moved, they are permanent because they cannot be moved. We cannot move them here and there. So such houses are also known as permanent houses. So moving forward to the temporary houses. Temporary houses are such as a tent house, a kawa, a houseboat. As you know, a tent we can stick it wherever we want to. So tent is used in that, and a kava house is on a wheels. It's especially in a bus or in a car, something like that. So it's on wheels, so we can also move it. Houseboat, it just swim in water, so also we can move it. So these are the temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another build temporary houses. Tent, kawas, and houseboats are some of types of temporary houses. As you all know, these are some type of temporary houses. Okay, a tent is made up of thick cloth canvas. Tent is made up of a thick cloth, a cover coat clothing. And a kawa is on wheels. As I said you earlier, the kawa is on wheels. It's a house on some bus or something. Okay, and the houseboat, it just stay in water only. It's a boat, a house on a boat. And as you all know, a boat only swims in a water, so we can move it. Moving forward, types of roofs. How many types of we roofs have? It's like we have two types of it's a flat roof where there's nothing on the roof of the house, and the one is sloping roof where the roofs are bending towards each other, towards the ground. So it's something like roofs may be flat or sloping. It may be flat like this or sloping like this. People living in the plain houses build the flat roofs. People living in hill areas build houses with sloping roofs. Sloping roofs allow snow and rain to slide down easily. People who lives in a area there was then not much rain or not much snow or something, they made roofs like plain. It's full flat roofs. But the people living in hilly areas where the snows almost there, rain is too much there, so they make such sloping so that no snow or water stay on the roof, cause it to bind up the roof. So moving forward, we can read this. At places where it rains heavily, people make houses on wooden poles. Such houses are called stilt houses. As you all know, some people make their houses like this. They just uh, try the house to make lift on the bamboos. Okay, this is because people do these kind of houses because it's too much rain. The place where too much rain is there, the people make houses like on this, on wooden poles. So such houses are known as stilt houses. A house made of ice is known as igloo. Igloo are built by Eskimos. Only Eskimos lives on igloo, and it's made of whole ice. So it was our chapter overall. Let's recall. Okay, fill in the blanks. We need a dash to live in. So where do we live? We live in a house. So we will write house. The second is a dash house is made up of mud and straw. So which house? It's a kacha house. It's a kacha house. And moving forward, a dash house is a strong house. So which house is a strong house? A pakka house. Okay, so the answer is pakka house. The fourth one is a dash is a house on a boat. A dash is a house on a boat. So what is it? Houseboat. As I said you earlier, on a boat, so that it can be moved here or there. It comes in a temporary houses. Now moving forward, a dash is a house on wheels. So it's a kava, karema. So we have completed till here, and in the next part we will read about the clothes we wear. Why do we wear clothes? It's as simple as that. We have already read it. Why do we wear clothes? Because it protect us from heat, cold, and rain and wind. It protect us from climates, weather climates, and also it helps us to protect from the wind, cold, or rain. So we will read it in the next part. Okay, thank you. Hope you like it.